Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you best software engineering bootcamps for you. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Consider about number 1, it is a Lewagon. Lewagon offers a full-time and part-time software engineering bootcamp that covers web development, data science and more. The program is known for its hands-on approach and project-based learning. And this has a practical and dynamic exercises, a strong alumni network, and the cons are it has an intensive learning schedule. So this is best for those looking for comprehensive and immersive experience. You can go to their website using https www.lewagon.com. So second one is Flatrun School. So this offers a variety of programs including software engineering, data science and cybersecurity. The bootcamp provides both full-time and part-time options with a focus on practical skills and job readiness. So pros are comprehensive curriculum and strong career support. But the cons are this one little bit expensive. So this is best for those seeking a well-rounded education with career services. So you can go their website using flatrineschool.com. So the third option is Simply Learn. I think you heard about this one previously, and this offers a range of programs including software engineering, data science and digital marketing. The bootcamp provides both part-time and self-paced options, making it accessible to wide range of learners. So consider about pros are this one is affordable and self-paced options, but the cons are limited interaction with instructors. So I think this one is best for those looking for flexible and affordable learning options. So in my list, the next one is Great Learning. So this offers programs in software engineering, data science and more. The bootcamp focus on hands-on learning and real-world projects. So prepare a student for careers in tech. So this has a focus on practical skills, flexible learning options, but the cons are limited advanced topics. So this is best for those looking for practical and flexible learning experience. In my list, the next one is General Assembly. So this offers immersive bootcamp in software engineering, data science, UX design and many more. The program is known for its rigorous curriculum, hands-on projects and strong career support. So this is a comprehensive curriculum, a strong community support, but it has an intensive schedule and little bit expensive the price. So this is best for those looking for well-rounded education with career services. Next in my list is App Academy. This offers full-time immersive software engineering bootcamp with a focus on job placement. The program includes deferred tuition options, allowing students to pay after securing a job in tech. So pros are deferred tuition payments options and strong job placement rates. And the cons are highly selective admission process. So this is best for those looking for high return on investment. In the last one of my list is Hack Reactor. Hack Reactor offers an intensive software engineering bootcamp that covers full stack development. The program emphasizes problem solving skills and real world projects, preparing students for careers in tech. So pros are rigorous curriculum, strong alumni network, and the cons are intensive learning schedule and it is little bit expensive. So this is best for seeking a challenging and immersive experience. So these are the options I found on internet, and it has a good rate of good reviews also. So I suggest you to follow these courses as if you like. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.